To do box jumps, first find a sturdy box that's about 30 inches, 76 centimeters or shorter, and place it on a flat surface where it won't slide around. Stand facing the box about 1 to 2 inches, 2.5 to 5 centimeters away, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then, bend your knees, push your hips back, and bring your arms behind you to wind up for your jump. Push off the ground hard while driving your arms forward to jump onto the box. Land with both feet at the same time and stay partly squatted to soften your impact. Keep your back straight as you land. Then, stand up straight and step back down to your starting position. Avoid jumping back down since you could injure yourself. Repeat the process, aiming for around 3 to 4 sets of 3 to 5 reps.